Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. Today I'll be making ginger molasses cookies, crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside, on this episode of Cooking with Gerald. Welcome back, everybody, to my channel. Today I am making some ginger molasses cookies. Ginger molasses cookies. And to start off, I'll go ahead and give you the ingredients. It's going to be a half cup of butter, a half cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, which I have in here already, and 1 egg, a half a cup of molasses, 2 cups of flour, and you can substitute 1-to-1 gluten-free flour as well. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half teaspoon of ground cloves, and then you want some extra sugar to coat the cookies in before you actually bake them. And then also I have some candied ginger that I've cut up into little pieces to give it a little bit more flavor. So to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and cream our sugar and butter. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the bowl down. Oh, sorry about that, guys. All right, so I'm gonna scrape down one more time and then add the molasses. And the key to adding any type of syrup or something real sticky, the key to making it come out of the measuring cup, measuring spoon, or whatever it is that you're putting it in to add it to the mix. Best thing to do is to use some oil or spray. In this case, I use spray, cooking spray. See how it cleans it out? Everything just comes right on out, slides right on out. Sorry, not girls, but guys. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape this down and go ahead and add in my dry ingredients. It's interesting or funny because I don't like raw molasses, but I love ginger cookies. Molasses ginger cookies is actually very, very delicious. And especially if you get some that are, or make some that are nice and chewy and not hard like ginger snaps. All right, so the recipe does not call for vanilla extract, but I'm gonna add a teaspoon in there anyway. Sift my dry ingredients. All right, so I'm just gonna dump all this in here at the same time. I'm gonna leave about a teaspoon so that I can put my candied ginger in there. The flour will help it stay up inside the cookie and not make it sink to the bottom of the cookie and probably burn. So that's why I'm using the flour. So we'll put those in last. So I'll go ahead and add in my candied ginger. All right, so move that out the way. I have my baking sheet with some parchment paper on it. And I also have a bowl with some sugar. So the first thing I'm gonna do is scoop these with the scoop into the butter. I'm sorry, into the sugar. It is 7:30 a.m. I have not been to sleep tonight. It's hard getting my days and nights back from being mixed up when I was working like crazy over the holiday. All right, so you just put them right there. And I'm gonna stagger them. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cook one cookie and that's it. And the reason I'm gonna do that is because normally I like my cookie dough to be firm and not loose like this. Because with these cookies, you're supposed to be able to roll them out in your hand, and I couldn't do that with this. So I'm gonna just do this one and test it and see how it comes out. So this is going in the oven on 350 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 12. And I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm back. This is the cookie. Now, you do need to let the dough rest in the refrigerator and firm up for 30 minutes to an hour. That was part of the instructions that I didn't see. But once you do that, they won't. Once you do that, it'll be firm enough for you to roll on your hands and then roll in the sugar and put them on here, and then the sugar crystals will be more prevalent on here. And I actually have some sanding sugar that I may use to roll them in. And then they also won't spread as far like this one. So I'm gonna actually wait until that happens and I'll come back and do some more. All right, guys, so I'm back and these are the finished products. Ginger Molasses Cookies. for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell at the top right hand corner of the screen so you don't miss out on any episodes that I do upload. Don't forget to share the video, and also please comment down below. Until next time, stay safe.